Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make Double Ka Meetha, a delightful Hyderabadi dessert. To begin, ensure you have about 10 slices of white bread, preferably day-old, as it fries better. You'll also need 4 tablespoons of ghee, 3 cups of full-fat milk, and 1 cup of sugar. Don't forget aromatic spices like 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and a few saffron strands. Finally, prepare 2 tablespoons, each of almond, and the first crucial step is preparing the bread. Start by trimming the edges from your 10 bread slices, then cut each slice diagonally into 4 equal pieces. Next, heat about 4 tablespoons of ghee in a broad non-stick pan over a medium flame. Carefully deep fry a few bread pieces at a time until they turn a beautiful golden brown and become wonderfully crispy. Remember to drain any excess ghee from these fried pieces before setting them aside.
Once both players are successfully signed in, the screen will automatically divide into 2 distinct sections, providing each player with their own view of the action. Both players can then control their respective characters independently, navigating the world and engaging in combat. You can enjoy the full, immersive Gears 5 campaign story side by side with a friend, making every moment more intense.
For the grand finale, it's time to assemble this delicious dessert. Gently dip each fried bread piece into the warm sugar syrup, allowing it to soak for about 2 minutes. Arrange these syrup-soaked bread pieces in a single layer in your serving dish. Next, generously pour the thickened, saffron-infused milk, also known as rabri, over the bread. Finally, garnish with your prepared almond and pistachio slivers. This delightful Double Ka Meetha can be enjoyed either warm or perfectly chilled.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.